lads.
Yeah, lads.
Morning, boys. It's about 9 o'clock, Friday. Man's got day off. Quick, let me just show you. What's this I see in my pants? Oh, no way. Lockwood slim fit joggers? Surely not. Surely not, lads. Surely not. But surely. It would help if I unlock the car first, mate. Bloody love them, lads. I've been trying to find joggers which are really tight at the bottom and then come looser around about 3/4 of the way down your leg. And I couldn't find them, but now we've got some. The LW is going to keep it so we can go with the hoodies if you got hoodies, but I'm going to take off the Lockwood attire, so it's just going to be the LW like that. Yes, lads. And they're that black. They're making me black jumper not look black. Like, this is black. When I looks bloody blue. I swear, lads, it's black. I promise. They're just midnight black. Just black as night, them. Well, yeah, I've had this little thing from my door, and yes, I've turned it around so you can't see my address, so please do not pause the video and go and try and find my address. And I don't know what it is. I mean, I've ordered 2 things, right, which I'm waiting for. One of the things said it's going to be delayed, and the other thing I ordered literally probably around about 6 hours before this came through the post. So I don't have a clue what it is, but I'm excited, boys. Let's go and find out. And then we're going to go and see Danny, and we're going to reveal his new car to you, boys. Well, not new car, but new colour of car, because yes, he's got it all re-bloody sprayed, hasn't he? But first of all, we're going to do something very exciting, and we're going to go back in the house, because I forgot my wallet. It was for my bloody sister, lads. What a waste of a trip. Getting well excited then. Thought it was my coolant gauge. She bloody has the same last name as me, and her first name starts with an L, so they pose a pose. Oh, for L Lockwood. Oh, it's for me. No, it's not. It's my bloody sister. Although Bulgin season might have to come to a little. We're gonna get copyrighted. Migo. Migo. I love Migo. Anyway, because I'm losing a bit of me abs, lads. It's going straight to my belly. It's not going anywhere else. It's just going straight to my fucking belly. So I have to cut down on the bulking season a little bit. Right then. It's time to drop a little present off at a friend's. And it'd be good to catch up about some of the stuff that's gone on with this friend as well. Char's going in like that. Good one. Looks 10 times better.
Where does it actually mount though?
Well, I need to get this off, so I'm probably going to get a bit of fishing wire, cut that one off. And then there's bolt holes on the side. Oh, right, okay. So I can either do that or I can just tiger seal it. Probably going to put it in bolts though, I don't want to tiger seal. How's your best friend Jamie? 2 beasts, there they are. Discussing painting things. I'm getting your own video when you are finished, little girl. Right, let's go see Danny. This is the first time I've seen this car. What? Oh, no. Are you kidding? Are you actually bloody kidding me? Oh my god. I've just bloody been to the post office and I get another one. Oh, great. So annoying. But yeah, I'm not sure if I just said it or not, but yeah, this is going to be the first time I've seen it in daylight. I'm excited, lads. Oh my god. Fucking like 2 twats up north here, don't we? They cleaned it today. Oh.
I've got some quick detail in there, so see my sticker. New sticker up there.
Looking, asking for Instagram followers there, isn't he? Who made that?
Artivisions. Galaxy Glitter it's called.
So last lad.
Sorry lad. The plug.
What, do you want to put it up? Put it on mine. It's cold in here.
Oh.
I've not been on coilovers in ages.
Oh,
it's like
it's rough as fuck.
I'm glad I've not got them. But I'm gonna have to get them sooner or later though, man.
Wait.
There's music, lad. I feel like I should be dropping pills or something.
There's a remap in place just down the road, and it's a bit dimmer there, so I'm gonna do your light painted one there.
Right, yeah. Alright, yeah.
Sweet.
Alright.
myself, not him. But fucking hell, what month is it, lad? Fucking hell, it's freezing, man. Good job I not brought another jacket. I'm gonna put it on. Fucking freezing. Oh, I left my jacket in his. Oh, nightmare, lads. He's actually going asking if he can reverse up. If he can reverse up that ramp to get a picture. Let's see what she says. Yeah, I just want to get a picture of my car, okay? So I can just reverse it up here. Oh, it's where's he going? Oh, no.
She said nay. Nay, no chance.
Worst thing is when you're trying to do a car pick, it's like trying to explain what the fuck you mean.
Quick, let's go on ramp.
Get on ramp, lad.
Get on ramp.
Fuck him, lad, get on it. Okay, I bet you don't put it anywhere fucking diagonal like we said. Octopus thing. It's like one man and his dog, innit? One man and his dog going for a stroll. Where's the lead? Where's the lead, lad? This is what he drives. Adam S 1.4 turbo. Cool. Telling you though, lads, stinks round here. I'm not gonna lie, it smells like if you'd put cat piss, gearbox oil, and like burning plastic. That's exactly what it smells like. It shows green in direct light and then purple in the shadows, sort of thing. It's got to be that, something like that.
I think it is,
Yeah, it's got to be that. Reminds me of my Clio that I had. I had one exactly like that. That was literally exactly the same. My first ever Clio, yeah. Well, like third ever Clio. Man's had a lot of Clios. A lot. Just a rental boy for life, Anna.
I'll see if they work for me, I doubt it.
Why, do you have to be close?
Oh yeah, there they go.
What's your favourite colour?
Cyan.
Cyan?
Yeah.
Whose favourite colour is cyan? I meant in general.
Oh, purple.
Purple. Give me some of this fucking heat, lads. Oh, look at joggers, red paint. Oh yeah, it's not that steep. Oh, that's solid, easy.
Get a picture on here, quick.
Brand new Type R, looks even more of a space than the last one.
The Mustang over there as well then.
Some nice cars in traffic. And we're in one. You get the HI diesels on, lad.
What?
The HI diesels, get them on.
HIDs?
No, I want to get them on.
I've not got them on.
You've not got HI diesels on?
No, look at this. It's got a better out than me, this one. It's a better paint job than me. Look at this.
Oh, free advertisement. Free advertisement. Contact me if you want a proper one. Protecting the paintwork, parking like a twat. Right, lads. Oh no, this is a video.
130
If you've seen my Snapchat before, I'm gonna try and link it up now. But this is gonna be weird because this is a video and whatever. I'm getting confused now. Lads needed. Let's get some nighttime shots. Gonna do some mad shit with a torch. Yeah, looking for some foxes, isn't it? On other news, Insidious 2's out tonight. Look at us, lad. Can you just fucking look at us? Might go and watch it. It looks scary. It looks like there's like loads of scary bits in it, whereas like normal films just put like 3 scary bits in the trailer. There's only 3 scary bits in the whole film, but I might have to go watch it. But fucking expensive now, cinema. It's like 30 quid a pop. Not cheap that, lads. It's fucking freezing. I'm going sitting in the car. Do you reckon you can see me if I sit in the front? I'll just duck. What? Woo! Wowie woo! Till next time, Astra. Right, lads, that is the end of today's video. Might edit today, but I think we're going to wait until we can get the car pics on it because, you know, Dan obviously wants his car pics in the bloody video, doesn't he? But I think I'm going to get them sent over on Saturday, meaning I should be able to edit this video Saturday night and have it probably uploaded on Sunday. So yeah, I'm not a Greek god. Sorry, that was just my jumper. I'm not in fancy dress or anything, lads. Don't worry. Don't you worry. But I love you all, lads. So how long this video is going to be? I'm going to try and keep it 10 minutes. I think that is the optimum. Love you all. You're my boys. And I love my boys and my girls. And there's a lot of girls out there. My boy, even though it's like you girls, you're still my boys. You know what I mean? I'm Northern. Let it go. I love you all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bada bing, bada boom.